got a lot of recipe which I need to lose out of my head for you guys. Alright, now this is a recipe where you're gonna say to yourself, Chef Ricardo, where you get this a recipe from? Alright, now this one is going to be celery. That's the first ingredients. Alright, let's get yourself some celery. Alright, wherever you are. Alright, so I'm just cutting up some celery. So, celery into your cup, wherever you are. Grab yourself some celery and make this an amazing drink at home. Alright, so we got celery, which is very important for your body. Alright, and I'm gonna say to somebody this morning, this recipe is not a normal recipe. It's a secret recipe, and I said to myself, I want to share it to someone this morning, and I hope someone will make this drink. Alright, so celery, and then we got carrot, which is very good for your eyesight. Alright, we're gonna put a medium-sized carrot in it. Alright, so as you can see exactly. Good morning, Michibu. Thank you so much for coming on the show. Alright, as you can see, that's it right there. Then now we got one medium-sized green apple, which we're gonna also put inside of it. Alright, one apple. I'll be using a green apple inside of it. Alright, you can use red apple, but green apple works really well with this kind of drink. Alright, as you can see. Alright, now, so we got celery, carrot, and right here we got some green apple. Alright, now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a piece of ginger inside of it. Alright. So, get yourself a piece of ginger. Alright. Got some ginger right here. I'm gonna put a piece of a ginger inside of it. That's the ginger. Alright. Then, just gonna put a little bit of water inside of it. Alright. Just gonna put a little bit of water into it like this. Lovely and nice. Then if you like, you can add a little bit of organic honey inside of it if you want. You don't have to, but it's option. Alright, what we're gonna do, we're gonna blend this up, and this is a beautiful drink we can also have this morning. Alright, let's blend this. Lovely and nice. Thank you so much for the patience, guys. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna run it through our strainer. Alright, look at this. Celery, green apple, and beetroot. No, carrot and ginger. And we're gonna put some lemon inside of it with a little bit of honey. Beautiful drink. You guys can try at home. Yesterday morning we did an amazing recipe. Coconut water with celery. That drink was amazing. I drink it and trust me, it was fantastic. Now, I got one secret recipe I want to share with someone this morning. And I want you to try that recipe at home. Alright, because I'm telling you this. A lot of people might say I do this kind of drink, but then doesn't know it's healthy. And I'm interested in a lot of healthy stuff now because I recognize since I started to go healthy, my life has changed a lot. No drinking, no smoking, no party, no gambling, nothing like that. All I do, I try to eat healthy and look after myself. And if you look after yourself, you can look after your kids at home. All right? So that's the kind of lifestyle you have to start living now. And put God first and everything after. Even your kids come after. God first. All right? We're not going to be perfect. Because the Almighty God know that. None of us is perfect. But I try my best to live a life which I have to give thanks every day. Alright guys, so I'm giving a little bit of idea this morning. No smoking, no drinking, no party, no gamble. Alright, stay at home and spend time with your family and serve God. And give thanks every day for the blessing we give us. That's where Chef Ricardo is at the moment. Alright, no gambling, no smoking, no party. Nothing like that, guys. Thank God for that, man. Yeah. Just living a good life and everything will be good. Alright, as I can see, here it is. Beetroot. We do this morning with green apple and carrot. And now we do a celery. And yeah, look at that. That is lovely. Now we're gonna squeeze out some lime. I got some lime already, which I already squeezed. This is some lime juice. And I have some lime again. I'm gonna put half a lime, more lime in it. Yeah, that is lovely. Beautiful. All right. Lovely and nice. All right, now let's give this a mix. All right. Now what you want to do, all right guys, is grab yourself an orange and squeeze that orange inside of it and get that beautiful flavor from the orange into it. You can either squeeze the orange the other way, but this way is pretty good. All right, just squeeze that orange into it and you're gonna bring in a lovely flavor from it. All right, lovely. That is amazing. All right, yeah, give that a mix. All right, now the weather is cold, you don't need any ice. Everything is cold now. The whole place is freezing. So you don't need any ice. If you want, you can have ice, but me personally, I would just drink it just like that, all right? Yeah, but as I say, you don't need any ice right now. You can just drink it as it is. Look at this. Beautiful drink, guys. All right. That is amazing. Fantastic, lovely, and delicious. All right. And here it is. And this is what Chef Ricardo been doing for you this morning. All right. Hope you guys have a lovely day. Look after yourself. Be strong. And remember, give thanks every minute, every day, every second.